How to enable or disable developer options on any Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. To turn on your developer mode, scroll down in settings and click on about phone. Here, you'll find build number. Simply tap on build number and you will need to enter your password of your lock screen. Now you are now a developer. Now your developer mode is turned on. What you need to do is go to System. Here you'll find Developer Options. Click on it and you will be able to change what you want to change from Developer Options. Now turn this off. Simply click on at the top and turn this off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. Now after you turn this off from here, it will be removed from system as well. You won't be able to see developer options in here. That means it's disabled. And this is how to enable or disable developer options on any Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.